Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking cabbage in an Instant Pot. For this easy recipe, we need cabbage, water, and seasonings. I will use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So we need to slice the cabbage. As I slice it, I will just put it directly in the Instant Pot. So put all sliced cabbage in an Instant Pot and add half a cup of water. Now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 7 minutes. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here's perfectly cooked steamed cabbage. This cabbage is perfectly cooked and tender, so healthy and delicious. So I will remove it from the Instant Pot onto a serving plate. And now let's season it. I'm going to sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now when you seasoned it, you can mix it to distribute it evenly. Another great seasoning addition would be Parmesan cheese if you have it. So this cabbage is a perfect healthy side dish. It's low carb, so healthy, so easy to make in the Instant Pot. Now let's try it. Perfectly cooked, so tender. Tastes delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.